Alright, Octavio downloaded a 2 3/4 hour movie. Then he downloaded a 1.5 hour movie. How many hours of movie did Octavio download? So it sounds to me like we've got some movie that he downloaded, and then he downloaded some more of the movie. So how many hours of movie did Octavio download? Alright, so I'm going to quickly make my window pane, and this time I don't have any pictures to guide me, so I'm going to have to draw my own. But I first want to start with how many hours of movies did Octavio download. So we can say Octavio downloaded blank hours. And so I'm going to draw a picture. So we have 2 3/4, and then, so that would be after 1.5 hours. So I'm thinking if he downloaded some and then he downloaded some more, we're going to be putting these two amounts together. We have unequal amounts, but we're putting them together. So I'm going to quickly draw a model that shows 2 3/4. So we have 2 3/4, which we might as well call 3 for our estimate. And if I have 1.5, I might as well call that 2. And if we're putting these together, I'm thinking my answer should be pretty close to 5 hours. About 5 hours of movie. Alright, so let's go over here to our algorithm. We're going to set up our problem first, 2 3/4. We're going to put that with 1 1/2. And I should notice right away that we do not have common denominators. But lucky for me, I can make an EFT right here and call this 2/4. Because I know 2/4 is equal to 1/2. So now I'm going to set it up again, 2 3/4 plus 1 2/4. Now that I have only 4s, I can add them together. If I have 3/4 and I add 2 more, I get 5/4. And if I have 2 wholes plus 1 more, I get 3/4, or 3 wholes. Now what I need to do is I need to rename this. Because I have an improper fraction, I know that 4/4 will give me another whole. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and add 4/4. This 5/4 is equal to 1 1/4. 1 1/4 is the renaming. And when I rename that, I'm going to cross this out and I'm going to put this together. So if I had 3 holes and I added 1 more hole, that gives me 4 holes, and 1/4 is going to slide on over, and that's going to be my total answer. And is 4.5 pretty close to the number 5? Yes, it is. So how many hours of video did he download? He downloaded 4. And I'm sorry, I knew something was wrong. This should be 1/4. I'm not sure why I brought up a 1/2. Thank you. 1/4. 4 1/4 hours. Alright. So make sure that you correct that. I'm sorry that I wrote that incorrectly. I know I have 1/4 here, but it should have been 1/4, not 1/2. I don't know where that All right.